Hi there, friends! It is unboxing time with Yume Twins. Alright guys, today's unboxing video is coming at you thanks to Yume Twins. We have this cool subscription box right here. I have never had this one before, but I've seen videos and pictures of it online, and it looks like they have really cool stuff in it, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what is in this one. Now, before we start, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you do, because we do cool unboxing videos and all kinds of stuff all the time, and you should join the Kawaii family. So, without further ado, let's get to opening this bad boy. I've got my handy dandy box opening knife right here. I'm going to attempt to not remove my fingers in opening this box. Huzzah! And we have it. Oh, we're already losing stuff. Things falling out already. Ooh! Now this one looks to be like a Halloween box, because we have a little brochure here that says Halloween Festival, and it's got cute little this guy on it, and I've totally spaced on what his name is. Tell me in the comments what this guy's name is. I cannot for the life of me remember right now. But what is in here? Oh, so this has got a cool little description of what all of the stuff in it has. Oh, what's this? Scan me for a surprise. Activating your streak. It's easier than ever. Just scan this QR code and done. Don't miss out. Claim your reward now. Oh, cool. That's pretty cool. Apparently you can redeem points for getting these boxes and then you can spend them on their website. Nice. Alright, well, let's have a look at what cool stuff we have got in this box. So, first things first, we have a little, like, foldable brush thingy? Kuromi. Kuromi. I'm so not saying that right, but it's that guy. That's what that guy's name is. Fantastic. Anyway, it's very orange. Can I open it? Let's break into this bad boy and just see what... Whoop. Alrighty. Ooh, a comb. So yeah, it's just a foldable comb. I actually saw the picture of this in like this little book here, and I thought it was a knife. I was just like, oh, that's weird. They're sending me a knife in a kawaii box? How strange. Not in fact a knife. Is in fact hairbrush. So that is actually kind of cool. It's very handbag size and has a little dangly doodad on it, so you can stick it and hang it on stuff if you want to, I suppose. Yeah, so that's cool. We like this. This is a good item. All right, going in the pile. What is next? Next we have, this looks like it is in the same vein as the comb, because it is the same color, it has the same character, and it's got the same sort of spoopy, Halloween-y theme going on. I am going to hazard a guess and say that this is a compact mirror. Whoop! Ooh. Oh, and I would be correct. It's a mirror. Do-do-do-do. Ah. Alright, cool. So that is a handbag-sized, I don't know, purse, compact, mirror-y thing. I don't know, I don't tend to use these all that much, if I'm being perfectly honest. I don't know. If I need to use a mirror, it's always, like, already in my, like, makeup compact, or I just go to the bathroom, so, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll use this, but it is very cute. Like, super cute, so we like this. Alright, what do we have next in the oldie box? Ooh, it's squishy. It's squishy! This is, I can't even pronounce what this is, but it's adorable. It's a little this guy. We've got a little this guy. And, I don't know, is he like a hedgehog in a strawberry or something? I don't even know what he is, but we can take him out of his plastic. How do you open? Here's how you open. Uh-oh. It's very sticky. Like, super sticky. They did not want this guy to escape on the way over here. Ooh, well, it doesn't smell like anything in particular, but yeah, it's just like a squish, squish, squish. If I'm stressed, I can mush your face. So we have a squishy over that guy. I don't know who this guy is, but he's very cute. Alright, putting it in the pile. What is next? Next we have what looks to be a makeup case. Again, this looks like it's staying in the same sort of vein as the comb and the compact mirror, because we have got this guy again doing Halloween-y stuff, but on this side we've got my Melody too. So this just looks like it's a little travel makeup bag thing. I'm pretty sure it's probably full of, yeah, full of fluffy stuff. It is just, you put, like, stick it on my head. Yeah. No, it doesn't fit my head. Okay. But that's okay. We can put things in it. This is very cute. We like things we can put things in. Alright. So, oh, it looks like we're up to our last item. I don't know. What is this? We have this thing. And, oh, I think it's a light. Like a little cute lamp kind of thing. I love lamp! Let's take this little guy out of his box here. Oh, no, I need my stabbing knife. And yeah, alright. I actually thought this might be a flask. But no, it's like, I think it's one of those ones that has like the little light in it that goes woo, 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 woo. And then it's just pretty and cute and stuff. So I think that's actually going to look rather adorable up on my wall here somewhere. I'll have to try and find a spot for it. But yeah, that is super cute. So that is actually the end of the box. It's done. So we'll just put it on the head, because that is apparently the thing that we do with empty boxes on this channel, in case you didn't know. Yeah, that's the end of my box. So, I mean, the stuff in it was really cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little underwhelmed. I don't know if any of the other boxes have had different items that maybe I would have enjoyed a little better, but either way, it was still cute, and it was definitely, all the products feel like they're very good quality. So I've had some boxes before that the stuff in it was kind of questionable as to whether it was actually decent quality or whether it was just kind of random trash that they stuck in a box. This one does feel like it's very thought out, and like it, all the products are quite good quality. Just not sure that this month's box was for me. But anyway, that is now the end of our unboxing video for the Yume Twins. And what I want to know in the comments below is, did you get this box? If you did, what did you think of the stuff in it? What do you think was your favorite item in this box? Would you get it? Have you subscribed to it before? Let me know. Let's talk about it. I want to hear your thoughts on it. But this video has now come to an end. So, until next time, love, love. Bye-bye now.